Hi guys, in this video I'll teach you how to fade in a video in CapCut. So start by uploading your clip and then select it at the bottom. And now you go to animations, which is at the bottom in the middle right now. Click. And now you can see you have at the top of these little animations here, you have an option that says in, out, or combo. In is a fade in, out is a fade out, and combo is fade in and out. In this case, you want to fade in, so simply go here and now scroll a bit to the side. And now I'm going to click on the free fade in option. And now at the bottom, you can select how long the fade should be. So I want it to be, let's say I want it to be 2 seconds. And as you can see, it faded in. Once you're happy with the length of the fade in, simply click on the tick mark at the bottom right. And now, to ensure you're happy, simply go back and click play. And if you're happy with it, now you can simply export it in the top right corner.